Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share a recipe with you that will be a perfect addition to your dinner parties. It's a mashed potato and beef sauté in a casserole dish. If you want to be informed about my new recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Pour 3 to 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil into the pot. After heating the oil slightly, add half a kilogram of diced beef. My meat was a bit lean. If you use medium-fat diced beef, it will be even better. Stir over high heat until it changes color. As you can see, the meat has started to release its own juices. Add 1 glass of hot water. Close the lid of the pot and let it cook over low heat until the meat softens and absorbs its water. While our meat is cooking, let's prepare our mashed potatoes. Take 5 medium-sized potatoes. Chop them into large pieces for easier boiling. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt. Add enough water to cover them. And boil until the potatoes are soft. Drain the excess water from the boiled potatoes. On top of the hot potatoes, add about 1 tablespoon of butter and about half a teacup of milk. And mash the potatoes thoroughly while stirring. Then, divide them equally into our casserole dishes. If you wish, you can also prepare it in a large Pyrex dish. My meat took about 25 minutes to cook over low heat and absorb its water. If your meat is not cooked, you can add more hot water and continue cooking until it is completely tender. Add 1 finely chopped onion, 1 small bell pepper cut into small cubes, and 2 to 3 finely chopped green peppers. Sauté for a few minutes over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Add about 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And sauté for a few minutes until the smell of the paste is gone. Peel and dice 2 medium-sized tomatoes and add them. Add about 1 teaspoon each of salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, and oregano. Stir well and close the lid of the pot. Let it cook over low heat for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove our cooked sauté from the heat. Divide it evenly into the mashed potato casserole dishes. I prepared 6 individual casserole portions from this amount. On top of each casserole dish, add about a pinch of grated cheddar cheese. I also sprinkle a little red paprika on top. In a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, let it bake until the cheddar cheese melts and the top is lightly browned. Remove our mashed potato sauté from the oven and serve hot. I hope you also try it and enjoy it. Bon appétit to those who will try it in advance. If you've watched my video this far and liked it, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching.